Hello and welcome to this Blender tutorial brought to you by Lewis Art. My name is Emmanuel Okafo, and today I'll be sharing with you guys how to shade a human skin inside Blender. So we'll be working with the principle BSDF because I find this node straightforward and easy to use. So basically you have your base color, then you have your subsurface parameter. So if this is 0, this value is 0, then you have this kind of look. Then if you increase the value to 1, then you have this look. So it becomes more fleshy with you increasing the parameter. So you have the ability to even increase this up to 100 or even 1000. So this is based on the scale of your model. So the larger the object, the more values you want to input to make it look more fleshy. Yeah, so that's basically that parameter. So the next parameter is the subsurface reduce. What this basically means is it means this color inside. So the reason why you're seeing it tinted reddish is because of this parameter. So if I was to set all of this to 1 and give it a render, so right off the back, what you can see is that it looks really unappealing. That's why you need this parameter to be able to control the color that displays when light goes through the geometry. So if we set this to like 1 and set this to like 0.3 and give a render, then you have better result of the light passing through the geometry. Okay, so you can also input like an RGB node. So you can take off the guesswork by just using this RGB node, and any color you set here is going to be reflected here. So if we set this to green, so you get a greenish tint. So, and most times that's not what you want. You want it to be set to red. So as you can see it's looking more pleasing to look at. Okay, so that's that. So the next parameter we're going to look at is the subsurface color. So this basically means the color of the skin. Because right now, if this is set to 1, it ignores this value. So most of the times what I do is the color I set for the subsurface color, I also use that color for the base color. So now let's just create like a human skin somewhere like this. So if we give it a render, so basically these are all the parameters which you need to worry about when using this shader. So that's basically how I set up my skin shader. I hope this tutorials were helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. So again, thank you for watching the tutorial. Bye bye for now. See you next time.